Hello, in this Solidity tutorial, we are going to go over the overview of a simple contract. So this is a default contract that gets created when you just go into the Remix online IDE. You can easily get this code, and it's a great thing for testing. So the first line we have is a Pragma line, Pragma Solidity. And this is just the version number that you want your application, your contract, to be using. So we are using 0.4.6. This rightmost number is just for small changes. The middle number is for usually big changes, but not like major changes. And this one is like mega changes. This is the sort of thing that you'll probably see change after several years potentially. And this the little caret symbol here, what that indicates is that it won't run on anything below 0.4.6, so that's the minimum. And it also indicates that it won't run on anything above 0.5, because the thinking behind that is this is 0.4.6, for example. 0.4.7 just be a minor update. 0.4.8 will be a minor example, a minor change. 0.4.9 again, just a small minor change, and all this code should still work fine. 0.5 might be a relatively major update, and as a result the code may not function the same way, or if at all. So that is the reasoning behind it. Next you have the contract keyword, and this is basically your smart contract. Then the name of the smart contract, and that is stored here, and you can click create, as we've already covered how to do the create stuff. And then inside here you put all of the data. So this default contract has a integer variable method that we can run here and pass a value into it, and this method is just setting a particular value to the stored data based on what we've put in. And then we have a get method which just returns a value from our smart contract. And honestly, that's it really for an overview of a smart contract. Obviously you'll get more complex ones, but once you understand these fundamentals that I've covered in this lesson, then you're all good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Solidity tutorial.